All right, let's talk about something you almost definitely have in your house, probably tucked away in a cabinet. Absorbent cotton. It's simple, it's fluffy, and get this, our source material actually calls it a hero. A hero? Really? Okay, let's dig in and see what that's all about.
I mean, look at this, right there in the description. A hero player. That's a pretty big claim for something so ordinary, right? But this isn't just some clever marketing. It's actually a huge clue to just how important this stuff really is.
So what are these so-called superpowers? How can one little product be so essential for both a serious first aid kit and your makeup routine? Well, like with any good hero, it all starts with the origin story.
To really get what makes it special, we have to look at what it's made from. Or, maybe more importantly, what it's not made from. Its real strength, it turns out, is all about purity and keeping things incredibly simple.
And there it is, the big secret. 100%. We're talking pure, unadulterated cotton. No weird additives, no synthetic stuff mixed in, absolutely no compromises. This one single natural ingredient is the foundation for everything this little hero can do.
But 100% pure means a lot more than just being made of cotton. It means it's gone through this super careful process to get rid of everything else. We're talking any tiny little seeds, specks of dust, you name it. That whole purification step is what makes it perfectly clean and totally safe for its most important missions.
Okay, so we've got the origin story down. Now let's get to the action. Our source material actually lays out a pretty clear mission briefing, breaking down its primary functions into 3 core duties.
Cleanse, protect, and defend. Sounds pretty epic, doesn't it? It's a simple little trio, but man, it's powerful, and it covers so much ground. So let's break them down one by one.
All right, first on the list is its duty to cleanse. This is probably what you use it for most often. Because it's so incredibly absorbent, it's just perfect for cleaning skin or wounds. And since it's so pure, you're not adding any new contaminants to an area that's already sensitive. Then you have its role as the protector. I mean, it's just so soft, right? That gentle texture makes it a perfect little cushion. And that is a huge benefit when you need to pad or protect skin that's delicate or irritated.
And last but definitely not least, its most critical job, the defender. In a real first aid situation, this is where it truly shines. It's what you use to apply pressure to help stop bleeding, and it's the core component for dressing and protecting a wound from infection. Super important stuff. And right here, you can see that versatility in action, which brings us right back to that opening quote. On the medical side, it's a frontline tool for taking care of wounds. On the cosmetic side, it's using those exact same properties. That purity, that softness, that absorbency for much more gentle jobs. Same hero, just different missions.
So let's bring it all together. We've seen what it's made of and what it can do, but what's the big takeaway? Why should we really think of this simple product as a hero player?
Well, it all boils down to this really unique combination. The purity makes it safe, the soft texture makes it gentle, and when you put those two things together, you get this incredible versatility that works for, well, everything, from critical first aid to precise cosmetic work. So there you have it, the secret life of the absorbent cotton in your cabinet. An everyday item that, when you look a little closer, truly is a quiet hero. And it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other everyday heroes are hiding in plain sight around your home?